Determine your shower door location. Our door is 6 inches from the edge of the trough. Apply a bead of sealant just outside of the 6-inch mark and 4 inches up the wall. Then, put down a layer of thin set with appropriate trowel, avoiding the bead of sealant. Install tile on the outside of the shower, ensuring minimum 1% pitch back to the drain. After your tiles have been set in place, cut the liquid waterproofing on the inside of the drain. Be sure to cut clean through the waterproofing.